Mentakasngi ka khatsau terek ujeleu, Myntri Rangbah ukonrat ke sangma, ula ais ngobha ka we ka ambulance kit nongpang syakipat nong shnong ka kentot dum Nongthymmai Shillong, haka jingalang pat ba balalong ha St. John's Whitehall School. Yakini ka ambulance labay na kapla jahula pisa bakerpang balajer kerteng Chief Minister Special Development Fund. Haka jingalang pelat pat ba yakini ka ambulance ladan lang ru uba jaminu mautho MLA ba menshua ka Nongthymmai, MLA lai mkra kong amprin lengdo, MDC Nongthymmai ba lati plangkar kongor, MDC lai mkra malki ba Fantin Joseph lakadong. Myntri Rangbah ulaong ba kadika ambulance kan ai ka jingshakri pat ba yakinong shnong kan kadong, bat ki weru ki kentot ki badan kam ban kit ikinong pang syaki jaka sumar. Ulanyo tangi ki jing ba bonjat pa ki pat ba ki akendu haki arsnam balala na ka jingklang ka klam COVID-19. Ula banjur baka sorkar ka thrang ban pensting ni kijing jumpi pat ba haka bayade bat kilat krenti ban sumar sukher ya ki bapang basitom. Ula kentui kinong yalang kani ka kentot bat kumju iki pat ba ban sumar bat sngotra ya kani ka ambulance kum kamar kenti la jong kaban ai ka jing rap haka pang ka sitom.
It's not about the size of the project that we're doing, but it is the message that we are sending as a community, as leaders and as a society towards the purpose and the meaning of really taking this one step forward in ensuring that we're able to make a small but a significant difference in the health services that are being provided in and around the Dum area and Shillong city as a whole. What was mentioned earlier by Kong Amprin and the others, that we had a huge challenge. Nobody in the world ever expected the COVID to, the pandemic to happen, the kind of difficulties we faced as a government and more importantly as a society. It really taught us a lot of things. And I think the biggest message and the learnings that, the experiences that I could take from these last 2 years of managing, handling and fighting the pandemic is that one person or one organization or the government alone cannot do it.
Kakong Amprin lengdo MLA kala benrap da kaba ajing mut ikinong yalam shnong bakin sumar bahai kani ka ambulance kaban pensuk ikipat ba hakapang kajia. Kirangba nong yalam ka kentot dum kidukot ka school managing committee bat kipat ba kila danlang ban sakhi kani ka jing ai ngobha na Myntri Rangbah ka jilla.
We have seen in the last experience of the 2 years of the pandemic that medical assistance reaching to the sick, reaching to the needy at the correct time in short notice has become very vital for the saving of lives in our communities. The pandemic has taught us that the government of Meghalaya on its own will never be able to reach out to the needs and the demands of the community in times when sickness, illness strikes. I would like to relate to the time when I was the MLA of this constituency. We had tried our level best to ensure that the people of this area are served adequately with all the essential amenities. And it was indeed a great pleasure for me to also lend a helping hand in ensuring that the attention flagged by the community of Dum for the urgent requirement of an ambulance was brought to the immediate attention of our Honorable Chief Minister. Sir, thank you so much for your humbleness, your humility. A big man in the highest office in the state wanting to come to this community in the midst of Shillong city sends a very clear message to the people of Shillong city in particular and the state of Meghalaya in general. Your generosity, your willingness to attend to the important requirement for medical assistance for the people of Dumdum and neighboring localities will yield the desired results